Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Vikas Singh. I am studying in Tianjin, China. I am pursuing medicine and I love basketball and I am a very big fitness freak. And the reason I'm here today is because I want you all to come to the 85th Sikh International Youth Camp by the IIGS from June 17th to 25th, 2017. This camp will help you become stronger in your faith, clear your doubts and do all that while having interactive and fun sessions. I know these camps a lot because I have been there for almost 6 years now. And if I'm standing tall and confident in China, me being the only Sikh here in this area is because of what I have learned at all these camps and of course what my parents have taught me. I need my Khalsa spirit boost for this year, so I am planning to be there this year and I hope you all join me there. This camp is for both young Sikh women and men, so I'm looking forward to having you there, and who knows, we might even have a small little dunking competition and we can play basketball together too. Okay, so see you all. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.